Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of jewelry care, and we have a real gem for you, the Connoisseur's Premium Edition Delicate Jewelry Cleaner. If you've been looking for the best silver jewelry cleaner, this product is a must-have in your collection. Whether you have silver, pearls, or even delicate costume jewelry, this cleaner is designed to bring your precious pieces back to life. Now, why is this cleaner so special? First off, Connoisseurs offers a premium, ammonia-free formula that is not only ultra-safe but also highly effective. It's perfect for the kind of jewelry that needs a gentle touch but still requires that powerful cleaning to remove dirt, grime, and tarnish. The 9.6-ounce bottle gives you 20% more than standard sizes, which means you'll be cleaning your jewelry for much longer without needing a replacement. Plus, it comes with a professional touch-up brush and a large dip tray, making the cleaning process even more convenient and efficient. The advanced polymer system in this cleaner is one of the key features. It helps reduce the appearance of tiny scratches that can accumulate on your jewelry over time, while also keeping dirt and soil from building up again. This means your jewelry stays shinier for longer, and those fine scratches that might have dulled its look are now less noticeable. Using the cleaner is incredibly easy. Simply place your jewelry into the dip tray, follow the simple instructions, and within seconds, you'll see the sparkling results. No need to scrub or use harsh chemicals. It works magic, especially on semi-precious stones like pearls, opals, and even coral, ensuring your delicate jewelry looks as beautiful as the day you first wore it. This cleaner is also highly recommended for fashion and costume jewelry. It provides a deep cleaning that's gentle on delicate materials, so whether you're cleaning a treasured heirloom or a piece that's part of your everyday collection, Connoisseurs has got you covered. So, why should you choose Connoisseur's Premium Edition Delicate Jewelry Cleaner? It's safe, effective, and designed to bring out the best in your jewelry. From the innovative formula that helps reduce fine scratches to the ease of use, this cleaner is definitely a top choice. For anyone looking to restore that stunning shine to their silver and delicate jewelry. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique. For more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next one.